Letting go is not forgetting. Letting go is deciding that yesterday no longer deserves authority over today. An elegant woman does not cling to memory as proof of depth. Memory, when revisited without intention, becomes emotional stagnation rather than wisdom. Growth begins the moment emotional energy is redirected from what shaped the past to what shapes the present. Release is not avoidance. Release is discernment. Psychological maturity reveals a subtle truth. The past only maintains influence when attention continues to feed it. Elegance emerges when attention becomes selective rather than sentimental. Silence around the past does not signal denial. Silence signals closure that no longer requires narration. Emotional intelligence reframes letting go as a cognitive decision rather than an emotional event. Neuroscience confirms that repetition strengthens neural pathways. Each return to old pain reinforces relevance. Each pause weakens attachment. Elegance operates through restraint. Feminine psychology understands that safety does not come from revisiting emotional injury. Safety forms through boundaries placed within the mind. Thought selection becomes the most refined boundary of all. An elegant woman recognizes that growth does not demand emotional excavation every season. Reflection has an expiration date. Wisdom remains. Emotional residue does not. Letting go becomes graceful when identity stops forming around what happened and begins forming around what is becoming. Power shifts quietly at this moment. Composure replaces urgency, clarity replaces explanation, presence replaces rumination. The past loses volume when attention no longer echoes it. Attachment to the past often disguises itself as loyalty to experience. Emotional maturity recognizes the difference. Loyalty to pain does not equal integrity. Integrity lies in choosing mental environments that support stability rather than replay. Psychology describes this as emotional self-regulation. Feminine wisdom experiences it as elegance. An elegant woman does not ask, "Why did this happen to me?" A more refined question emerges. What no longer requires my attention? Detachment does not erase meaning. Detachment assigns proportion. Memory without proportion becomes distortion. Letting go becomes an act of self-respect when the nervous system learns that safety exists in the present moment, rather than the remembered one. The body relaxes when the mind stops returning to what it already survived. Pause here. Notice how often the past appears without invitation. Observe how quickly emotion follows memory. Awareness alone weakens the pattern. Recognition transforms habit into choice. Freedom begins when the mind no longer reacts automatically to old emotional cues. Calm replaces reflex. Dignity replaces rehearsal. Growth feels quieter than expected. Elegance rarely announces transformation. Letting go is not dramatic. Letting go is disciplined. An elegant woman understands that inner authority forms when emotional energy returns home. The past becomes information rather than identity. Experience becomes refinement rather than residence. Peace increases when the mind stops negotiating with what already ended. Composure becomes the final chapter. Letting go reaches its highest expression when identity stops orbiting the past. Elegance matures when experience informs discernment rather than defining self-perception. Emotional intelligence reframes history as reference, not residence. Psychological stability emerges when the mind no longer seeks confirmation of self-worth through recollection. Release becomes sophisticated when attachment dissolves quietly. The most composed women rarely announce closure. Closure becomes evident through behavior, rhythm, and emotional economy. Energy flows forward instead of looping backward. Inner authority begins here. Identity shaped by unresolved memory remains reactive. Identity shaped by integration becomes intentional. Psychology explains that the mind repeats unresolved experiences in an attempt to regain control. Feminine wisdom recognizes that control is restored not through repetition, but through disengagement. Elegance rejects emotional clutter. An elegant woman does not suppress the past. Suppression demands effort. Integration requires clarity. Once meaning is extracted, emotional repetition becomes unnecessary. The question shifts subtly yet powerfully. What does this memory still influence? Freedom expands the moment influence dissolves. Detachment often suffers misinterpretation. Detachment does not equal coldness. Detachment reflects emotional literacy. Emotional intelligence understands proximity as a privilege. Memory receives the same discernment as people, environments, and commitments. Some experiences deserve gratitude. Some deserve acknowledgement. Few deserve continued access. Elegance lies in knowing the difference. Letting go becomes self-respect when emotional boundaries extend inward. Thoughts receive standards. Feelings receive proportion. Reflection receives limits. Dignity grows when emotional regulation replaces emotional indulgence. Feminine psychology recognizes that closure does not require participation from others. Closure forms internally when emotional loops conclude without external validation. Explanation does not equal healing. An elegant woman releases the expectation that others must understand the letting go. Understanding is internal. Authority follows acceptance rather than agreement. Silence becomes refined communication. The absence of explanation signals completeness. Energy no longer leaks through justification or defense. Letting go becomes graceful when privacy surrounds emotional transitions. The body remembers what the mind revisits. Psychological calm emerges when the nervous system no longer prepares for events that have already passed. Repetition trains vigilance. Presence trains peace. Elegance restores safety through consistency. Daily composure teaches the body that crisis has ended. Emotional steadiness becomes the new normal. Memory softens when vigilance relaxes. The body exhales first. The mind follows. Letting go becomes physical before it becomes philosophical. Resolution implies finality through confrontation. Refinement implies evolution through awareness. An elegant woman chooses refinement. Each experience contributes discernment rather than damage. Emotional maturity transforms disappointment into data. Data informs boundaries. Boundaries preserve serenity. The past loses emotional charge when learning replaces longing. Refinement never demands re-entry. Observe emotional responses to old triggers. Notice reduced intensity. Notice increased neutrality. Notice shortened recovery. These shifts signal progress. Growth reveals itself quietly. The absence of emotional reaction often marks the most profound transformation. Narrative sustains attachment. An elegant woman does not repeatedly retell what has already been understood. Retelling reinforces identity anchored in experience rather than evolution. Silence preserves power. Privacy protects growth while it matures. Emotional restraint allows dignity to settle naturally. Letting go becomes visible not through storytelling, but through changed standards. Wisdom differs from memory. Memory recalls sensation. Wisdom recalls understanding. An elegant woman retains wisdom and releases sensation. This distinction prevents emotional regression. Stability strengthens when emotional lessons remain without emotional replay. The past becomes instructive, not intrusive. Time alone does not heal. Time without awareness extends stagnation. Elegance accelerates healing through intentional attention. Each return to presence weakens the past. Each choice toward composure reinforces authority. Letting go becomes efficient. High-value presence conserves energy. An elegant woman invests emotional energy where growth reciprocates. Past events no longer qualify for investment. Emotional economy enhances clarity. Peace expands when emotional spending aligns with present priorities. The mind becomes selective. The heart becomes calm. Behavior becomes consistent. Forward motion rarely feels dramatic. Stability replaces intensity. Consistency replaces fluctuation. Calm replaces anticipation. Elegance thrives in predictability. The nervous system prefers safety over excitement. Emotional intelligence honors this preference. Letting go becomes sustainable when stability becomes desirable. Consider the moments no longer revisited mentally. Consider the memories that no longer provoke reaction. These absences signify growth. Authority strengthens when emotional neutrality replaces emotional charge. The past loses leverage. Letting go matures into identity refinement when emotional energy returns fully to the present. An elegant woman does not move on loudly. Movement occurs inward, then outward, then forward. Grace reveals itself through consistency rather than declaration. The past completes its role. Letting go reaches completion when neutrality replaces emotional charge. Neutrality does not signify indifference. Neutrality signals mastery. Emotional intelligence recognizes neutrality as the state where understanding exists without agitation. Elegance thrives here. An elegant woman does not seek emotional distance through suppression. Emotional distance forms naturally when meaning integrates fully. Calm emerges without effort. This state reflects emotional completion. Strength often suffers misrepresentation as intensity. Feminine psychology understands strength as steadiness. Neutrality reflects inner stability. Emotional maturity allows memory to exist without influence. Past experiences remain acknowledged without demanding reaction. The nervous system no longer prepares for repetition. Peace becomes habitual. Neutrality reflects safety restored. Emotional negotiation prolongs attachment. An elegant woman no longer bargains with memory. Questions cease. Hypotheticals dissolve. Mental rehearsals conclude. Closure completes itself internally. Negotiation requires emotional investment. Neutrality requires none. Elegance chooses the latter. Identity stabilizes when emotional reactions become predictable. Predictability signals trust in the self. An elegant woman trusts emotional regulation more than emotional expression. Expression becomes measured rather than impulsive. Composure becomes consistent. The past no longer disrupts identity formation. Non-reactivity marks psychological sovereignty. Feminine psychology recognizes that reaction places power externally. Non-reactivity reclaims authority internally. An elegant woman does not resist emotion. Emotion simply passes through without attachment. The difference defines mastery. Reaction fuels memory. Neutrality dissolves it. Change reveals itself quietly. Tone softens. Responses slow. Boundaries firm. Presence feels grounded. Others sense the shift without explanation. Emotional neutrality communicates resolution more clearly than words. Elegance announces itself through behavior. Neutrality introduces discernment. Not every stimulus receives attention. Not every memory deserves revisiting. Emotional access becomes curated. This curation protects serenity. Elegance values peace over emotional engagement. Completion calms the body. The nervous system no longer scans for unresolved threat. Relaxation becomes the baseline. Breathing deepens. Thoughts slow. By sleep improves. The body confirms what the mind already knows. Letting go completes itself physically. Meaning no longer requires emotional rehearsal. Lessons remain. Emotional volume fades. Wisdom survives without noise. An elegant woman carries understanding without carrying weight. This distinction defines refinement. Notice moments of unexpected calm. Notice memories recalled without sensation. Notice the absence of urgency. These signs confirm emotional neutrality. Growth reveals itself through stillness. Freedom emerges when emotional reaction no longer dictates direction. Choice replaces impulse. An elegant woman responds selectively, not reflexively. Emotional energy aligns with intention. The past loses control. Identity anchored in emotion fluctuates. Identity anchored in clarity stabilizes. An elegant woman no longer identifies through pain, resilience, or survival. Identity forms through presence, standards, and composure. This shift ends emotional performance. Authenticity replaces narrative. Daily life reflects neutrality through simplicity. Fewer explanations, fewer reactions, more intention. Elegance simplifies existence. Peace compounds. Consider emotional triggers that no longer activate. Consider conversations that no longer feel necessary. Consider memories that no longer invite commentary. These absences reflect power reclaimed. Emotional neutrality completes the act of letting go. An elegant woman no longer moves away from the past. Distance already exists. Presence becomes the final destination. grace remains. Dear elegant ladies, which moment in your life taught you the quiet strength of letting go? Subscribe to Thriving Ivy 3883 and continue this elevated conversation. Thank you so very much for being